Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to set up image planes in Photoshop. So I have a picture of a die here. What I'm going to do is go up to View, Show, Guides. Now you don't see anything when I turn guides on. But if you go up here and click and drag out, you can see a gray line, and it actually snaps for me. And that snaps directly to the center. I could pull out another. Put it directly in the center. Now we have 4 image planes. I could also set it up in thirds. This is where you'd use your rulers to line it up. Image planes in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.